I'm so excited you're here. It's the morning after. We're all in the same boat. We came in the same way. Our workshop is about life informs. Pause, listen, and trust. And right action with no mistakes happen. Give yourself the gift of a lifetime.
The word is real. Everything that isn't real you needs to stay behind you. So we don't need to be something, some image of perfection that we have in our head. We just need to be real. And to regain all your power and all your joy, you need to get back to real you. That's all you need.
It is so true. And we can only get, for me, I can only get to that place when I love myself more, and I just have so much confidence in source.
Yeah. Trust it and relax that being real you is enough. You are worthy just by being born here. The Creator thought you worthy to be in this lifetime. But what is enough is for you to be real you. Yeah, if that's your starting point, imagine where you can reach. Imagine, just imagine. That's our theme song.
Be the transcendent you. I guarantee this workshop will open that up and you'll see it. Now, if you play full out, here is your opportunity to transcend the old you into the new you. It's mind-blowing what you have and who you are. And you will uncover that here. You'll find the true, real you. And you'll come to feel accepting yourself as a starter and realizing how amazing you truly are, but you never saw it before. You think I'm promising you the moon? Guess what? I am. I know that deep down somewhere, I know that you know that this is all possible.
And I instantly feel I want to sign up for this. I need this right now.
I'm so glad you're here. January 1st, take 1 hour a day for 4 days, and it will sustain you throughout the whole year.
4 days of amazing transformation, unlike anything that you have ever experienced before. This is new you. This 22 has never been before. All to play for.
And that's really, really, really good what you just said.
I know. How exciting is that? New day, new year, new you.
New you.
In 22. I love it. 4-day event, jam-packed full of content, of searching for the real you, digging out what matters to you the most in this moment.
It's impossible to realize, to know the power and beauty and brilliance that you are.
When you make yourself connected with the true power from within, you can deal with any storm that life brings forth. No matter what goes on in the world, you are the strongest you, and you are convinced. You come from this place of connection. You know you will survive this. You'll be okay. More than survive.
Are you ready to be the transcendent you? Are you ready? Here's what it takes.
Do you want to stand in your full power this year? Do you want 2022 to be your year?
We created something beautiful for you. A workshop that goes straight to the point, straight to your heart, straight to the power in you to transcend, live it, fulfill it, share it. It affects all your relationships and your relationship with yourself, the key portal to loving the beauty of who you are.
My job in this world is to protect that light within, not to dim its shine, not to shy away.
You'll come to be a warrior for yourself, protecting the strength, the light, the amazing light that you are.
I love that, because when you're a warrior for yourself, when you protect this entity here, you will be a warrior for everybody else. You will protect everybody else. You will serve everybody else.
When I protect myself, that's when I'm safe. Right action will manifest. When we realize and appreciate that life informs us. And if we're having trouble, we just pause. We really listen. Like, what am I needing in this? What am I getting in this? There's gold here. And we trust it. And then right action happens. And that's our compass. When you sign up, you will get a gift.
Yes. Yes. And there is more.
And so the first, and there's more. There'll be one each day. You'll get a gift every day. A different gift every day. Get a workbook, so when you're in it, you can play full out and really make the change that will happen. You play out, you get the change.
Absolutely. You do nothing changes.
And I'm going to announce that along the way. I'm doing the grunt work, and Katarina is going to have the explosion for you on the 4th day.
Lovely.
Isn't that wonderful,
It's
Katarina?
amazing. It's amazing. Because you just didn't think, you just said it.
That's always the best.
I know. I love that about you. I love the energy, and it's so natural.
Yeah, honey, I'm a 5-year-old.